Alright. Sounds good.
Go.
Alright. Oh, that hit me. Come on, peek right out again. Okay, I hear him, but I don't see him going around. Now I hear him. See if I can hit his gun. Okay, moving up, moving up, moving up. You like that? You like that? That's the thing about springers. You can easily outmaneuver them. You're out? Good one, Aaron. Now we just gotta find Nick. Thorns, don't like thorns, don't like thorns, no, no, no. Let's see if I can find Nick. Surrender. Bang, bang.
I hate them all. You can see us more easily.
That's your fault.
Well, I can see you pretty easily.
Well, yeah. I stick out like a sore thumb. Always gotta have something intimidating on the field. Woo!
I want to keep that floor, but I want to tear it down and make it an actual square and build it.
Alright, let's go up there again.
Yeah.
And your archery house is a piece of crap.